Hello everyone, we are at Raidurgam, Hyderabad. That you see over there is your road which leads to Gachibowli and Hitec City. Over there is your KIMS hospital, and today I'm going to show you a project from Prestige Vaishnoi offering only 4 BHKs, just 150 units, an exclusive community of like-minded individuals who share same values and refined taste. Let's check out the miniature. This is the miniature of this project. Like I mentioned earlier, this will be a Gachibowli Hitec City road. Your main entry and exit will be right next to the KIMS hospital, which will be here. This project is on a 2.42 acre land parcel. It has a structure of 2 basements, then 5 levels of podium car parking, then a 2-floored clubhouse, which include amenities like temperature controlled pool, pharmacy, ATM, fine dining, and your outdoor amenities will include a golf pudding, a cricket pitch, children's play area, and a lot more. Now, your 2-story clubhouse measuring 35,000 square feet is just for 150 families. Your ground floor is technically on the 8th floor, and you will have 34 further floors of just 4 BHKs ranging from 5,000 to 7,000 square feet. Now, let's check out the 4 BHK model apartment, but let's go cinematic.
This is a 4 BHK apartment measuring 4,971 square feet. This is the main entrance. Your main door comes with a digital lock system, and as you enter, you have your formal living. On this side, you have your common washroom. And next to your formal living is your spacious primary bedroom. You have space for your walk-in wardrobe. You also get an attached washroom. And you get an attached L-shaped balcony that connects you to the other end of the apartment. This is the wraparound balcony that's connected from the primary bedroom till the utility space. And what makes it even more amazing is that this is a long, spacious balcony where you can have ample of sitting arrangement and set up your plants and get this amazing view of the lake. Here you have this long passage which separates your formal living and your informal living, ensuring you have enough privacy. Here you have your puja room. Moving forward, this is your informal living. It's a beautiful space, it's very huge, and over here you have your incredible dining area, and that's the wraparound balcony which I mentioned earlier, where you get the view of this pretty lake. Next to your dining is your kitchen. It's pretty spacious, you get enough cabinet space, and you also get a pantry where you can store your items and groceries so that your kitchen doesn't feel cluttered. And right next to it, you also get a separate utility space. Again, this door is also connected to the wraparound balcony. This is your second bedroom, which is your kids' bedroom, comes with an attached washroom and a walk-in wardrobe space. This is your third bedroom. You get large windows and an attached washroom. You also have wardrobe space on both the sides of the room. Now the fourth bedroom. You have a walk-in wardrobe space, you have a study space, and you get not only one but 2 attached balconies. Over here and one over there. The connectivity of this project: within 5-kilometer radius from here, you have Delhi Public School, Oak Ridge International School, DLF Cyber City, Tata Consultancy, Wipro, AIG Hospital, Rainbow Children Hospital, and you also have an under construction metro line that will take you till the airport and Hitec City.
This project offers 4 BHK ranging from 4,955 square feet to 7,757 square feet, starting at just 5.7 CR. More details of the project is in the description. The date of possession is December 2026. If you are interested for a site visit, connect with us at Address Advisors, and we'll see you in the next one.